How to find your Gmail account using your phone number. If you have linked a phone number to your Gmail account, you can find it by entering your phone number. Alright, before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's dive in. First, open your web browser on your phone and search for Find My Gmail, and then tap on the first link. Here you will have to enter your phone number or your email, that your recovery email. Right now I'm just gonna enter my phone number because I want to find my Gmail using my phone number. So once you have entered your phone number, you're just gonna tap on next. Here, this will ask you for your first name. Just enter it. After you have entered your name, this will ask you for the verification code on your phone number, and that will show you your Gmail account. That's how you can easily find Gmail account by your phone number. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.